This is the best burrito I've ever
Luzon
eaten.
Vizia at Mindanao.
Yum, yum,
Ito
yum.
ang ulit baying.
This is the best
12 fan-like
burrito
home charge.
I've ever eaten.
And to ulit baying.
Yum, yum,
The
yum.
fan-like charge
Plenty
kitchen.
of beans and plenty of cheese and plenty
Collection
of rice.
2016.
Isn't it nice?
Walang signal Superior
Dapat
Toto.
tama,
Collab
isipan
Baying.
sa salita. Dapat tama, lalong-lalo na sa gawa.